Girl, it's time. It's time to start investing in yourself. Doing all the things, drinking the gallon of water, taking care of yourself, going to the gym, working out, eating clean, getting the nails done, getting a manicure, pedicure. Just really focusing on you. You've been working hard to focus on everybody else, making sure everybody else is straight, but who has made sure that you are straight? Like, really. If you don't take care of yourself, nobody else will. Baby, it's time. Baby girl, it's time. It's time to start showing up as that baddie that you want to show up as. When you walk in the room, like, confident. Not that you're better than everybody else, but you know that you are there, that you're worthy, that you look good, that you feel good, and you can be who you envision yourself being. Start to envision yourself at your highest self. Like, who do you want to show up as? Do you want to show up looking good, feeling good, put together, well groomed? When you walk in the room, you know you look amazing. When you having that conversation, you're not thinking like, oh, I should wear them other shoes. Oh, I should wear the other dress. This one's a little tight. Oh, I'm not feeling confident because there's something's off. It could be your energy, it could be your aura, or it could be your look. It could be, I don't know, my body type. I just running got this dress real quick because I had nothing else to wear, and this color ain't really popping on me. The food was showing a little bit. These shoes they hurt my feet a little bit, but you know, it's women, that can all happen. You might need to go find a seat. There's so many things, but with all our seriousness, like, really, it's time. It's time to be you. People are waiting on you. People are waiting for you to show up. Like, real talk. People are assigned to your life, and I believe this, that God placed us here all for a reason, all for a purpose. We are all here to serve. We're all here to serve people. And we've all been given gifts and callings. And with those gifts and callings, we have people who are assigned to us. And if we don't walk into who we are supposed to be, then we're not going to attract those right people. If you envision yourself driving that Lamborghini, if you envision yourself living in that mansion on the water, if you envision yourself being a boss with a multi-million-dollar business, you don't have these envisions for no reason. That's not everybody's vision. Everybody doesn't have that. Some people are envisioning themselves out there with 10 kids on the farmland. That's their vision. Some people may envision themselves on a high-rise in New York City, running a corporate business, or just having a corner office. Whatever you have envisioned, you've been given that vision for a reason. The fact is, are you going to walk in to try to achieve that vision? Or are you going to become who you need to become to get to where you need to be, to become that person, to walk into that vision, to attract the people around you, to be able to attract the business, attract the job, attract the clients? Have you tapped into that energy? Have you worked on yourself? Have you invested on yourself? Mentally, physically, emotionally, overall. Self-care wise, your overall image. God created us in his image. If he created us in his image, then that means he cares about our image. We should care about our image. And that doesn't mean like, oh, I need to go buy the most expensive things. I need to go buy the most expensive garments. You need to be able to steward your money well and afford what you have. But you also, when you're taking care of your image, are you making sure you're well groomed? Are you making sure that you are well put together? Are you making sure that your hair is combed? Or not combed if you, depending on what type of hair you got. If you got locks, then, you're not combing your hair. But is it well groomed? Are you getting retwisted, retightened? Are you combing through some product in your hair so your curls can pop? Are you slicking back your hair however your hair is looking? Are you making sure that your makeup is looking nice for your skin tone? Or if you don't wear makeup, that your that your skin is well? Are you exfoliating? Are you making sure that you're just not throwing on anything just to say you have on clothes? Because we all have to get dressed every single day. Every single day we all have to get dressed. Unless you go out here and not dress, honey, you're going to get arrested. So we all got to get dressed. We all have to show up daily. And by us showing up daily, we are attracting an energy. We hold an aura. What are you projecting out to the world? Are you projecting out that, I don't care what I got on, just threw something on? Or are you projecting out, I care about who I am, I care about who I'm attracting, I care about the energy that I hold and possess, I care about showing up every day, looking my best. Not saying spending all my money to look the best. Now, depending on your price point, you spend what you like. I definitely believe in quality over quantity. But are you showing up to make sure that you look amazing? Make sure that you're attracting the ideal people, the ideal mate, the ideal friendships, the ideal clients, the ideal people who can be around your family, your friends, the ideal people in your life. We're not meant to do life alone. We're meant to do life together. And to do life together, we attract everything that we have around us. Point blank, I'm giving you an example of attracting everything we have. For me, example, I have attracted the home that I live in. I've manifested it since I was a little girl. Since I was a teenager, me and my husband, our high school sweethearts, we used to ride around, and I said, I want a fully brick house with a red door. You know what my house looks like right now? It's fully brick with a red door. We attracted that. We brought on that energy. I said, I want a new car, and I want it to look like this, look like that. I have that. And it's not all material things. I've said, I want good, godly friends in my life, people who are spiritual, people that I can talk to about spiritual things, and I have attracted those people in my life. God, you gave me the vision. God, what do you want me to do in my life? What is the business? And He's gave me the vision. God, okay, I need you to bring me the clients. I pray for each and every one of them. And He brings me the clients because I attract it, because I envision it, because I bring out the energy. People see me and say, oh, I love your style. Because I'm versatile, so I'm attracting those type of people. Oh, I love your style. Awesome, thank you. I'm attracting that so they can know it's an opening for me to say, I'm a personal stylist. Thank you, I'm a personal stylist. And I don't tell everybody. Sometimes I just like, thank you. It definitely depends on the situation because I don't just go saying it all the time. But whatever it is for you, are you attracting that? Are you showing up as who you need to be? Are you being able to just know who you are, whose you are? And with that, when you really dig in, you really are reading your word, you know how important it is for us to do His work. And for us to do His work, who are you attracting in the meantime? If you're wearing something real skimpy, you know who you're attracting. If you're wearing something that is more conservative, that is, more feminine, more everybody, then you're going to attract that type of person typically. But you also have to work on your inside as well because you attract also what you're projecting from your inside. So it's just continuously a work on ourselves. I know it can seem like a lot. It can. But we are going to continue to be the best that we can be every single day. Wake up. What am I going to wear today? Who am I going to attract today? Who am I going to attract today? That's a question that you should be asking yourself. LaToya Pope Robinson, personal stylist. I'll see y'all next time.